The sun has been burning for billions of years, but in the 1930s, no one could explain why it hadn't gone dark. Every second, it pours unimaginable energy into space. Light, heat, life. And yet, by the rules of known physics, it should have exhausted its fuel long ago. This was not just a scientific puzzle, it was a cosmic contradiction. In the early 20th century, astronomers could measure the sun's mass, its brightness, its age. The numbers didn't add up. Chemical burning, like fire or coal, could only power the sun for a few thousand years, but Earth itself was far older than that. So what was feeding the stars? The mystery deepened as scientists looked outward. Stars across the universe burned steadily, reliably, as if plugged into an invisible power source. Something fundamental was missing from human understanding. Then, in 1938, in a Europe shadowed by political tension and looming war, a quiet theoretical physicist named Hans Bethe sat down with equations and asked a dangerous question. What if the heart of a star is nothing like Earth at all? Imagine the sun's core, not fire, but pressure so immense that atoms are crushed together, temperatures so extreme that matter itself behaves differently. Bethe realized that under these conditions, hydrogen, the simplest element in the universe, could be forced to merge, not burn, fuse. In a chain of reactions now called the proton-proton cycle, hydrogen nuclei collide, combine and transform into helium. In the process, a tiny amount of mass simply disappears, but that lost mass doesn't vanish, it becomes energy, pure energy. E equals mc squared. It was a revelation. The sun was not consuming fuel the way a flame does. It was converting matter directly into energy, atom by atom, deep within its core. This single idea explained how stars could shine for billions of years without burning out. And suddenly the universe made sense. Stars were not passive lights in the sky, they were engines, forges, factories that created the elements, carbon, oxygen, iron, that would one day form planets, oceans, and people. You are here because of this process. Every atom in your body was once inside a star. Bethe's discovery didn't just solve a scientific mystery. It changed how humanity saw its place in the cosmos. We were no longer observers of the universe. We were products of it. The stars burn so that life can exist. And the next time you feel the warmth of sunlight on your skin, remember, you're touching the echo of nuclear fusion, a reaction first understood less than a century ago, yet powering the universe since the beginning of time. If you enjoyed this journey into the hidden engine of the stars, support the channel by liking, sharing, subscribing, and leaving a comment, because curiosity, like the sun, burns brighter when it's shared.